I know.
Alright. Take a look at that text that I just cut out, please. First one we're going to go through is number 1 on Boyle's law. If I have 5.6 liters of gas in a piston at pressure of 1.5 atmospheres, and I compress that gas until it's gone into 4.8. Stop until I say what is the new pressure inside the piston? So what? What is my initial? Alright, no. What is my initial? What's my initial volume?
17.
Yes.
What?
If I have 5.6 liters. What's my pressure that goes with that?
1.5 ATM.
1.5 ATM. Alright, what does ATM stand for?
Atmosphere.
Atmosphere, right? Do we all see that? My initial volume is 5.6. The pressure that is with that volume is 1.5 atmospheres. Did I lose anybody?
Yeah. 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the volume for volume 4.8 liters?
Hold on.
So you're at 1.5.6.
Alright, Ashley. What's my second or my final volume? Sorry, I couldn't hear her.
4.8?
4.8. And I don't know what my pressure is going to be at that new volume, right?
We gotta find out.
That's what we're going to find out. Sure.
Alright, that's the first one we did, that's the second one. That's the one we did yesterday.
Alright.
Hey man, I just watched it. Watch what? What, second one? First one. First one?
Okay. Does everyone see this 4.8 we got from over here? We would have to divide this side by 4.8 in order to get it over here. So this variable is by itself. Right? You all see that? Alright, what's the math? Someone have a calculator?
I got it.
Yeah, Carla wants points today. Look at that.
That's messed up. How do you know? She already did it.
Alright, so does that make sense? Let's see. Right. Okay. I decrease the volume. Does that make sense that I would increase the pressure?
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes. Well, that was first one.